Now that I've got the saw set up, I can go ahead and make my first cut. I've gone ahead and marked on this board where I want to cut it. So what I'm going to do is turn on my shadow light, and that allows me to line the blade up with the line that I've already got on there. Once that's lined up, I want to make sure I secure the material by using the supplied clamp. And that simply goes into the back of the fence. Lower that down and lock the material in place. To make the cut, I just simply need to press the top button to lower the head of the saw, bring the saw all the way out, squeeze the power button, and make the cut. As you can see, setting up the KSC 60 is very straightforward and easy to do.